reviving older graphic design projects, and uncovered a PB1 file from Corel Photo-Paint. These contain raster images from this long-standing image editing application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and convert these Corel Photo-Paint image files. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party PB1 file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. A user encountering a PB1 file likely has an image created or saved by Corel Photo-Paint, a component of the CorelDRAW Graphics Suite. Their goal is to view, edit, or convert this proprietary image file, which may contain layers and other specific features not supported by standard image viewers. The PB1 format is a proprietary binary-based raster image file developed by Corel. It was designed to efficiently store bitmap data along with metadata specific to Photo-Paint, such as layers, masks, and effects. This structure preserves editability within the Corel ecosystem at the cost of broad compatibility. The tool most commonly used for creating PB1 files is Corel Photo-Paint by Corel Corporation. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows can render many raster types, but serious adjustments rely on professional graphics programs. Let's find the specific program that reads the file structure. Right-click the PB1 file and select Open With. Test Corel Photo-Paint if it appears. If not, choose another application. One of them is the right match. If your PB1 file will not open, do not worry. We didn't have luck with the basic application. Let's quickly pivot and execute these 3 targeted actions to find the core of the problem. First, opening in Corel Photo-Paint. Install CorelDRAW Graphics Suite, which includes Corel Photo-Paint. Launch the application and use File then Open to load the PB1 file. All layers, masks, and editing data load preserved, enabling continued work on the design, with full access to professional editing features and effects. Next, converting to PSD or standard formats. Open the PB1 file in Corel Photo-Paint and use File then Export to save as PSD, JPEG, PNG, or TIFF format. PSD export preserves most layer information for editing in Adobe Photoshop or GIMP, while flattened formats work for web distribution and general viewing in any image application. Finally, trying universal image viewers. Attempt to open PB1 files in ExinView MP or IrfanView, which support extensive image format libraries through their codec systems. While not officially supported, these viewers occasionally render Corel Photo-Paint files for quick preview when the full Corel application is not available for editing access. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.